Yay! Hey guys, welcome to Combat University. Today I'm going to teach you how to defend when somebody tries to push you against the wall. For this technique, I'm going to be using a clip from the movie Spider-Man 2, Dr. Octopus vs. Spider-Man. So watch this clip and I'll meet you back here to go over today's lesson. Let's check it out.
Oh, she'll be just fine. Let's talk.
Yay! For technique number 1, Bob already has me pushed against the wall. He's grabbing my shoulder here. First thing I did was spit in his face. What that does is distracts him, pushes his back, possibly lets go. But we're going to spit in the face, grab his wrist. At the same time, we're going to do a soccer kick right here into his shin. Grab, kick the shin, rake the eyes, from here, push him back. From there, we can get our bearings and decide what we want to do next. Again, rake the face, push him back. For technique number 2, we see Bob here thrusting his hand out towards us. We're going to do an out block here. Same time, kick the shin, that soccer kick, block, kick, break the eyes, shove them back. For technique number 3, we're going to be the aggressor. Spit in the face, soccer kick that leg, rake the eyes, shove them back. For technique number 1 on the bag, he has us against the wall. We spit in his face, grab his wrist, soccer kick that leg here to his shin, rake the eyes, push him back. All right, technique number 2 on the bag, we see him reaching. Out block, kick, break the face, push him back. Finally, for technique number 3, it's going to look like the first one on the bag. We're not going to wait, we're going to be the aggressor and spit in his face. Right after you spit, kick the shin, soccer kick, break the face, push him back. Thanks for watching. Hit that like and subscribe, and I'll meet you back here next time for more self-defense techniques.
You have a train to catch.